always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread.
Last day in Melbourne for our little trip. We've got a couple of things on tonight, like Witches and Riches. It's the last thing we're going to see before we hit the road back to Sydney. At the moment, we're just on the way down to the coast off the Mornington Peninsula, I think it is. I'm not too sure.
I can tell you.
Apparently there's a shipwreck out there. So we're going to go out, hopefully be able to put the drone up, get some video of it.
Yeah, I think that'll be cool.
Then head over to Crystal World.
We might go to the other store first.
Okay.
Crystal World doesn't open till midday and it's only 10:30.
Alright, so yeah, we'll do that. Then probably go have some lunch somewhere and enjoy ourselves for the day. So we're down here at the side of the HMVS Cerberus. Just had a look around with the drone. Had a look up on some history on the vessel, and what happened with it. And, yeah, it's quite an old ship. I'll just read off some of the history that Sky has prepared information for. So the HMVS Cerberus was a breastwater monitor warship, significant as the first ironclad steam-powered vessel built for the Victorian Navy and the first armoured warship constructed for Australia. It was one of the first British warships to be entirely steam-powered and feature a central superstructure with fore and aft gun turrets, laying the foundation for modern battleships. In 1926, the Cerberus was scuttled at Half Moon Bay, Black Rock, to serve as a breakwater for the Black Rock Yacht Club. So recently they've changed the laws over how close you can actually get to the vessel as a swimmer or diver. There's a restricted zone around it that you can't actually swim and climb onto it anymore. I'm not sure of the exact reason why they have done it. I'm sure someone knows what happened.
Conservation.
Yeah, mainly conservation, but also probably the fact that people were just being people. For an old ship like that, that's still in one piece, so it's not going to be in one piece forever. It's made out of steel, it's in salt water, it's going to rust.
Dark like a cloud, electrified by panic, terror and doubt. Don't cross me or you'll learn quick the hard way that I'm not one to mess with. I got a mind and that mind's full of mean tricks. I'll plant a seed in your red where the fear will stick.
And I'll haunt your nightmares. Little did you know that I like fear. When you turn, I'll be right there. You should be afraid, you should be scared. We're all alone, you're on your own. It's you and me who's going home. Look up, 'cause I'm right here. Welcome to a real life nightmare. Slash all your dreams but a big hype. All's at stake, it's my time to shine. Yeah, I'ma train hard, mistakes turn into learned scars. To build a brickyard, it's one by one, each bar. So build it tall, build it strong, build it large. And build a base first, so reliable you can reach the stars. Lights so bright, I can feel the rays. My lungs feel tight, I could barely breathe. Sleepless nights waiting for the day. I wanna be strong, wanna be brave. Bloody hands wrapped, covered up in tape. I might not be the best, but I never break. I will not surrender, I am a contender. I gotta be strong, gotta be brave. Lights so bright, I can feel the rays. My lungs feel tight, I can barely breathe. Sleepless nights waiting for the day. I wanna be strong, wanna be brave. Bloody hands wrapped, covered up in tape. I might not be the best, but I never break.
Yeah. Now we got some drone footage. We can actually use it around here. Pretty cool. That shipwreck's awesome. What?
Nothing.
Battery nearly died.
It had like 60% out there.
Yeah. Batteries are 10 years old, you know.
True.
Like, we've had this drone since 2014.
Something like that.
What? I think it's time.
I am a contender, I gotta be strong, gotta be brave.